You're here at the Church-Crawford Medical Building. All right, let's see. Okay, good. I thought it was locked for a second. Let's see what we got. Apparently, oh. What is this? Oh, interesting. Oh, all right. Oh, it's GNS. Whoops, accidentally zoomed in instead of zooming out. All right. This is neat. This is neat. All right. There's your COP. Gallaher and Speck. Oh yeah. This is real neat. Let's call the elevator. Let's hear the motor. Looks like this is parked over. It's a very small building. Right. Back down to one. These are real nice buttons. I like how they press. CJ Anderson. The call buttons are actually slightly larger than the buttons. See if you can see. The button is just about as wide as my thumb on the inside here, my nasty thumb. And then if you see here, it's actually slightly bigger on the outside. That is it. And they used the wrong your. It looks like someone corrected them. And that's it.